You or Bad Summer Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also from where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, which is here, and then search for Ali and John YTT. This is my profile. Once you get here, you will have to go to May Add Yours at Highlights, which is here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go to May Add Yours. Click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker, which is this one. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, you can find a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. And also, if your highlights are not loading, you have a tutorial down below. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a photo with you. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can share this with your friends. Guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out with your problems. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.